Welcome to this video on 3 ways to draw a polygon in 2D sketch mode of Autodesk Fusion. To start sketching, we click the Create Sketch icon on the toolbar, and the next thing to do is select a plane to work on. The ground plane, click. To create a polygon, let's go to the Create menu, then find Polygon, and we see there are 3 ways to do it. Let's first click on circumscribed polygon, which means we work with a circle with a center point. Let me click for the center point and then let go of the mouse button. And we see that it creates a polygon outside of the circle. We can give the radius of the circle. Let me type in 60 to make it exact. Then I can still move my mouse around, and well, to keep it neat and tidy, let me snap to grid over there. We see another entry box. Let me hit the top key, and that is the number of sides of this polygon, which is by default 6. Let me change that to 5. And immediately it recalculates the whole thing. We can of course also make it 8 or 9 or 25, whatever we like. Let's go back to 6. And to stop it, to finish it, we can hit Enter, but that means we also leave the polygon tool. We can also left click on the mouse, and there we have our first polygon, but the tool is still active and we can draw another one. Well, let's now try the other method, which is the inscribed polygon, which does the same, but it stays inside of the circle. So let us check, click the same center point again, make the same circle of 60. So let me type in 60. And then we see the difference. The circle is the same, but the polygon now stays inside. Well, it depends on what you are designing, if this method or the other method is the best approach. It doesn't matter as long as you are happy. Let's click over there and finish it with the left mouse button. Oh, I forgot to mention that, of course, we can also type in the number of edges. What we can also do is to use the third method, which is the edge polygon. Let me click, and what we do now is first draw an edge. Let's do it over here. Left click and then let go of the mouse. We can now make the first edge. I'm going to type in 20 to make it an exact dimension. I have snap to grid on, so I can neatly make it perfectly horizontal. Do I have to click right now? Yes, to draw that first edge. Nothing seems to happen, but if I move my mouse up or down, we see our polygon being generated. And the number of sides is 6, and the edge size was 20. If I change the number of sides now, yeah, we can see that our polygon starts to grow because it keeps that same edge size. This is how the edge polygon works. This comes, let me left click to finish it. This comes in particularly handy if you already have a polygon and you want to make another one adjacent to it. Yeah, where is the center point? I don't know, but I can click on this point and on that point and move away, and I have 10 still over there. Let me make it 6, and I click and I now have the perfect same size polygon over there. That is why this edge polygon can come in very handy. Well, this was it actually about polygons. Thank you for watching, and maybe see you back in the next video. In the meantime, have fun.